What do you think are the India's biggest environmental challenges?
Well, to start with, it would be population, because if you have such a huge population growing at such a fast rate, there's very little you can do to save anything, because obviously the needs of its own species will come first. So therefore, forests, animals become irrelevant, firstly. And nobody has taken the time to understand, whether through education or through media management or through political education, that if you cut a forest down, you kill yourself. Or the fact that if you cut down all the mangroves, you're reducing the land. Now this hasn't been understood at all, because there's no attempt to teach it through books, through schools. See, environment, it has been mandated as a teaching subject by the Supreme Court. But it really consists of what pretty trees, what pretty birds, and singing and dancing, and saying close the lights or put off the lights when you get out of the room. So it hasn't really been understood that it is about life itself. It has not been related to floods. Nobody is relating their own actions or government mandated actions to floods, to deserts, to global warming. So for instance, we've reached a stage where the normal human being can take no action themselves. So to put everything on them, that children should now put the lights off, is totally irrelevant. The biggest problem here is that India is producing 1/3 or more of the world's methane. And methane is a gas that is 23 times more potent than carbon dioxide. We have tried to hide this and from international debate and turned it into a debate of rich versus poor. In actual fact, the carbon dioxide level hasn't risen at all or very little in the last 50 years. But it's risen more than 200 times where methane is concerned. Now with methane, if it's 23 times more potent and it can disappear from the air in 4 years, then obviously methane is where we should be looking at. Now between us, there are 3 countries which are producing all the methane of the world: China, India, Brazil. And we are producing it because all 3 of us are exporting it for the rest of the world to eat. So that is our main environmental problem. Our population, which is completely uneducated. I'm not talking about poor people and rich people, I'm talking about the politicians. Do you know that India's government has always prided itself that we are the only country in the world to make and export leather? 27,000 crore rupees worth of it. Now if you're making leather, that means to make 6 pairs of shoes you need 1 cow. 1 cow produces 600 liters of methane a day. We are priding ourselves on the world's largest production of eggs, the second world's largest production of milk. The only thing we excel in is export of animals, something that no other country is doing. We're feeding the Middle East, like Australia is feeding part of Europe, but we are feeding the other part. Brazil feeds steak to the whole world. So the main problem is one of that you don't understand what the problem is. And even the few people who do understand have tried to hide the debate.
So what you're trying to say is A is population and B is consumption?
It's population, but uneducated population. And 2, it's the hiding of actual fact by the government from the government itself.